Jeff Hansen, Window Warriors Forum. Check us out at windowcleaningwarriors.com. Today we're going to take a look at a 6-inch bronze wool scrubber. We've been using these lately because just on our maintenance cleans, especially residential. We're at a commercial today, but the benefit we find is wetting the window down initially with our applicator and then giving it a once over with the bronze wool and then squeegeeing it after that. It gives us a better clean. We don't have to go back to touch anything up. Let me show you what we've been doing. Scrubbing the initial once over with the window using an 18-inch applicator. Take the 6-inch bronze wool, go around all the edges, getting it working into all the corners, and then give it a nice once over across the entire window. We find this has been giving us a good scrub, leaving us with some very good results. Not having to go back. Using this 6-inch bronze wool scrubber just gives us the best results we can get without having to go back a second time to touch up something that we might have missed initially. It doesn't take much longer. We find that one 6-inch bronze wool pad lasts a guy by about a week, and then they just kind of wear out and we replace them. But these are very cheap, very easy to put on a tool belt wherever you might want to have it. And that's a look at a 6-inch bronze wool scrubber and how we've been using it lately on our jobs. It's out here on Window Warriors Forum. Thanks for watching.